I love this view now. You could not see the water from where we were standing before we started. It was very hard. The tree was completely overgrown.
So guys, today we wrapped up, we're done, and we wanted to show you the results. It's been a great project and we've got a lot done. It's been a lot of hard work, been a lot of rainstorms. We're kind of soaked right now.
We're soaked and we're freezing.
It's a little cold.
We just wanted to get out here one last time to show you everything that we finished so you can see the final product. Okay, you guys, so if you remember from day one, there was a lot of overgrown mess going on this side of the yard.
There was a mugo pine right there. Now there's nothing there anymore.
It's wide open. There was also a mugo pine right here.
Yep.
And this is totally opened up, this whole area now. And you guys, look at that arbor back there.
Doesn't that look nice, you guys? Before you couldn't see that. This tree was totally overgrowing it, and now you can see it. It's really cool.
It's really cool.
And there's a little pond down below. Maybe you can hear that water.
And we shaped up all the other mugo pines, except there's one in the back that we just cannot reach.
That guy right there. Yep, it was an incline. It's really wet and slick, big rocks. It just wasn't safe for us to get in there, so we didn't do it.
I know, and we're super bummed. Sean and I are both such perfectionists. We hate not finishing that, but we're happy with the way the rest look.
Yep, it looks great. Now, here's some mugo pines. There was one here, and then there was another one here. Outzos, they went bye-bye.
Yay.
So, yep, and so here we go.
Just cleared up.
Look at all this,
Debris
you guys.
is gone. You can see the palm.
There it is. There's their windmill palm. Right. There's the tree again. See the tree? You can see the trunk now. You can see the arbor. Look at all that. It's just beautiful. Got a mugo pine we trained up there. And then we pruned up these rhodies because they were growing out into the walkway here. So.
Yeah, we've completely reclaimed the walkway and this whole path.
Okay, guys. Now, you ready for the big reveal, the hedge? You ready? Okay, here we go. Oh my God, where'd it go?
Hedge.
There's no hedge. There's a side of a house and all sorts of stuff, but no hedge. Cool.
Wow, it really opens it up.
Yeah. Wow, and look, there's some piping here and some electrical that there really wasn't access to. So this is a really good example of planting things next to a house. You don't want them to get too big because you don't want to block access to electrical panels or any type of sewer or anything like that, and especially the crawl space. Okay, guys. So here we go. Yep, still, here we go. There's no more hedge. You can see we pruned this rhodie up. You can see straight through it now. And then look at that tree. Right from this vantage point, you can see right out to the water and all that grass. We just mowed it and line trimmed it all. We weeded all these beds.
Yeah, the beds are so clean now.
See those lines? You can really see those lines around the beds with that border. It's just gorgeous.
I know, I love this view now. You could not see the water from where we were standing before we started. It was very hard. The tree was completely overgrown. Okay, you guys, after 4 long days, we are ready to pack it up and move on to our next project.
So go ahead and leave us any comments or questions down below. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yep, that's a wrap. We'll be back tomorrow with our next project, and we hope to see you back here, so have a great day ahead, you guys.
Have a great day, guys.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.